Well, as you all know, I took down my braids very few weeks ago, so I'll be making a very good protective hairstyle for the next 2 weeks or so. So I'm going to show you much the process, and I hope you like it. So let's get right into the video, okay? So right now my hair is freshly washed and it's still very wet. Not very wet though. It's not dripping, but it's still wet. So I'm just going to part the hair because I'm planning to do like a half up, half down, but I'm going to do cornrows at the front. So I'm just going to part the middle from the ear, from the back of the ear to the other side, and then I'm just going to fill it with my hands. As for those of you following me, you know that I usually do this without a mirror, okay? But sometimes a mirror is very necessary, especially if you are starting very newly, okay? So you need to position your mirror at the front and just sideways opposite to the one at the front, so I can visibly see the one you are trying to part and make your cornrows very neat, okay? So I have 40 kinky hair, so I didn't comb it out. That's why it's like this, and I have no plans of combing it out because I just don't like the stress and the headaches it gives me. So I just part the hair this way, and I braid or I cornrow, okay? So I'm just parting it out, and then I'm going to secure it back with a rubber band. So while we are doing that, if this is the first time you are watching my videos, you are visiting my channel, thank you so much for clicking on that watch button, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or any questions you have in the comment section below, okay? And when I can, I would get back to you, okay? So thank you very much, and to all my already subscribers, thank you all, I love you, okay? All right, so let's get back to the video. So as you can see, it's a struggle, okay? I have been struggling to part this hair, but yes, those are one of the challenges of doing your hair yourself. So it just took me some time, but this is the hard part. Once you have gotten this out of the way, the rest is history, I guess. So I just parted the front and the back, and carefully check them out before securing them with a rubber band. Okay, so I'm just using a rat tooth comb. So I'm going to part the hair small, but not too small though. So I'm just parting it out, and then I'm going to cornrow them to the back. I'm going to make sure it's slanted because I want it to be more of a middle part style of hair. So I carefully took my time, and using my phone I am checking, okay, because right here I have to use a mirror to make sure it is as neat as possible, okay? You don't have to stress yourself, it's not very neat though, seriously. You just need to make sure it's durable and good enough to go out, okay? But I would encourage you trying to make it look neat, because this is the front hair, and you know, the front hair is what the person sees when he or she looks at you, okay? So we have to make it look nice, okay? And besides, we want to finish our hair and get compliments from others, don't we? So this is what we do. So I just carefully cornrow the hair, just like this. And when I got to the end, I twisted it because I didn't want to have any stress while taking them down later, so I just twisted the end. Okay, so we're done with 2 strands, and as you can see, I'm just using my fingers to detangle the hair, stretching it out before starting my braid. So as you see, or as you can see, I position my hands in such a way that I can get the braids from the very top. Okay, so since I'm making my hair, I'm making it not too tight and not too loose as well, because we don't want a loose hair that will not last up to 3 days, and we don't want a even tighter hair that would destroy our edges. Okay, so we are making this as careful as possible. Since we are making this on my hair, I am able to know when it's painful and release my hand, and when it's too loose to add more tension to it. Okay, but not too much tension, as I mentioned earlier. So we are progressing. So I always emphasize on protective style, because you know we do a lot of things to our hair that makes our hair to not grow healthy and to not grow to the desired length we want it to go. Whereas for my hair, I'm not trying to retain much length. I just want a very healthy scalp and a healthy hair full on my head. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have much hair at my front. I'm already working towards that. Okay, so I don't want anything that's going to pull my head or give me any more alopecia than normal. So I'm not saying I have alopecia though, but so we are trying to make it as okay as possible, I guess. So while we are twisting our hair, we need to ensure that our twist is also tight. Okay, whenever I'm making our hair, don't just make the hair and do it in such a way that you are testing your hair, but try to put in all the effort you can and make sure your hair is as nice, so that when you walk out with it, people would admire what you have done with the hair. Okay, so while we are doing this video, I would also like to tell us more about the importance of making twists as a protective style. Well, although it takes a lot of time to install, but it's one of the best protective styles there is. So I just prefer making it because well, that's what I can do best, and is a very good protective style for your hair. Okay, so remember how I say at the beginning of the video that I was going to make the center part? I changed my mind. I decided to do a side part instead. Yes, so here it is. Okay, and we are done. It's time to style the hair. Okay, so that's the back view. So I'm just going to stretch it out a little by combing and detangling. Then I'm going to secure it to the rubber band at the back. I'm going to secure it this way until it's time for going out or going to school. Okay, so I'm just going to secure it this way. So here it is, just for the take down tomorrow. And here is the take down. Here's the video. Here's the front view, the side view. Check out this style, guys, and let me know what you think about it. Okay, let me know if you are going to give it a try, and let me know how. Thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, if you find this video very informative, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, okay, and click the notification button if you want to get notified of any new videos I post. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.